Hey guys, how you doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. This is the evening Bitcoin and Ethereum update for the DMT and Dominator bots. You can see the DMT buy line is pretty high up, 5,500. That obviously reflects the volatility we've got in the market at the moment. So if price just sort of settle down around this level or lower, the DMT buy line will come down with the price. 15-minute dominators that are buy, and obviously, as you know, that will feed through to the higher time frames. So eventually that may feed through to, well, it will, obviously price stays up here or higher, it will feed through to the 20-minute and then finally to the 25, which is our main one. So I may be looking to take that next dominator buy trade depending on how much volatility we are getting in the market. Over to Ethereum, 15-minute DMT. Very high above the market at the moment here. We had a great dominator sell here on Ethereum, basically at this level. I think we did go through this yesterday though. But also, if you wanted to trade it on the shorter time frames, you've got a good sell on the 15-minute. So I think a lot of sell signals in the crypto market, unfortunately, are playing out pretty well. Yeah, so today in my actually in the bot accounts, actually, seeing as I haven't got the bots on, I was playing some shorts around these levels. So I was selling when we were over 5,000 and then sort of taking it off around the 4,800 and 4,900 level. I did that 3 times today, but my motivation for the trade was watching stock markets sell off and stock markets be weak, and I do think that since we have pretty much confirmed, at least for the immediate future, that Bitcoin is definitely not a hedge to stock markets, it seems to have been following stocks a bit more closely now. So you can often see the sell-off in stocks occurring before we really have much of a move in BTC, and then the move then does seem to come in into BTC. So that is the basis for the manual trades that I've been doing, the non-bot, the non-automated trades that I've been doing. So yeah, that's worked out okay. It's taken a bit of getting used to that the position size. Now Bitcoin's price is basically half. When you put on a similar position size, it's obviously double the amount of BT size. So then when you get your profits, it's double the amount of Satoshis, but obviously in fiat value it's not. But yeah, so that's interesting to say the least. But anyway, so that wraps up Bitcoin and Ethereum today. I mean, I can't really tell you guys what I think we're going to do market wise, because if I could tell you that, it would be based on where I think actual stock markets are going. But everything's looking really bad for equities and general financial markets, but they are gonna still try and pull out whatever they can out of the bag, see what they can find, see what they've got up their sleeve to prop things up. I mean, I'm expecting it to be rules changes be the next thing that we have going on. So expect that, maybe bans on short selling or changes in bank reserve requirements, or basically that sort of thing is what I'm expecting. But yeah, that will give us temporary pumps in stock markets and BTC, and to be honest, for the foreseeable future, I would just be looking to fade those pumps, because that just seems to be the strategy at the moment. Probably not just from myself, but from lots of financial institutions that are looking to offload positions that are gonna sell into any strength for the time being. But yeah, anyway, so thanks for listening to that, guys. Remember, it's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Smash the likes if you find this content helpful. I'm trying to bring you guys more videos on sort of news items and things that I find interesting in the financial media, to diversify the material a bit. I mean, these are all things that I do actually find quite interesting myself, so I do hope that some of you guys that are into this sort of thing also find them interesting. So I'll keep those up. But yeah, so thanks for listening, guys. Appreciate all you guys watching, liking, commenting and subscribing to my channel. I will speak to you guys in the morning.